Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'll be making a star with this leftover yarn. I have this very short piece of yarn, so what I'm going to show you with it is how to make a star. So to begin, let's make a magic ring. And then from here, we're going to do a half double crochet. Now what we're going to do is total of 10 half double crochets into the magic ring. So let's do that. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, and 10. Okay, and then pull onto this tail end to close the magic ring and tighten. Lastly, let's insert the hook into that very first stitch at the top, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. And that is our first round. To start the second round, you're going to do a single crochet and then use that very first stitch, that's exactly where we just did a slip stitch, to pull another loop and then do a single crochet. Then chain one and then make a double crochet in the same exact stitch, same exact space, same place where we just did a single crochet. So that's my double crochet. Then chain two, and then we're going to do a double crochet into the next stitch. So insert the hook into the next stitch and then complete the double crochet. Chain one and then make a single crochet into the same exact space where you just made the double crochet. And that is the first star pointy end. To start the next, you will do a single crochet into the next stitch, followed by a single chain and then a double crochet into the same exact space. Two chains and then another double crochet into the next stitch right here. Followed by a single chain and then make a single crochet into the same exact space. And that is the second pointy end of the star. So every single one will have single crochet, one chain, one double crochet, two chains, double crochet, single chain, single crochet. All right, so let's do it one more time. Insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull through and complete the single crochet, chain 1, and then a double crochet in the same stitch. Then chain 2 to form the pointy end, and then a double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1 and a single crochet into the same space. Then we move and we use the last 2 stitches here. So let's again make our single crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet into that last stitch that we have left. Chain 1 and a single crochet. All we have to do from here is simply do a slip stitch to finish it off. And it looks like I finished my yarn. Perfect. And there is my star. The only thing you have left is to hide these tail ends in the back. If you would like to, you can also spray it with a fabric stiffener and then block it if you want to shape it a little bit more and make it more stiff. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Very simple. You can use any leftover yarn for it. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a good day, everyone.